Subject Science, Standard 9th, Chapter number 15. Name of the chapter: Life Process in Living Organism. In this chapter, we learn transportation in plant, excretion, plants, animals, and humans, coordination, plants, and humans. We have studied how digested food or oxygen inhaled by lungs is transported to every cell of the human body. The farmer also tries to transport the water from wells or dams through a main channel to every plant. The food absorbed by the digestive system is converted into energy. This energy and oxygen are both transported via blood throughout the body. Transpiration by the process of transpiration. A substance either synthesized or absorbed in one part the body reaches another. Water from leaves gets released into the atmosphere in the form of vapors. Transpiration occurs through stomata on leaves. Due to transpiration, water level in abdominal layer of leaf decreases. Thus, transpiration helps in absorption of water and minerals and their distribution to all parts of plants. Observation with the help of roots. Transpiration through leaves. Plants give out water in the form of vapor through the stomata on their leaves. Two cells called guard cells are present around the stomata. These cells control the opening and closing of stomata. Transpiration occurs through these stomata. Water is released into the atmosphere by leaves through the process of evaporation. As a result, water level in the epidermal layer of the leaf decreases. Water is brought up to the leaves through the exhalation so as to compensate for the loss of water. Transpiration helps in absorption of water and minerals and distribution to all parts of the plant, whereas root pressure performs the important role of pushing the water up during the night time. Transpiration of food and other substances in plants. The food produced in leaves is transported to each cell in the plant body. Excess food, except amino acids, is stored in roots, fruits, and seeds. This process is called translocation of materials. It is carried out in both the upward and the downward direction by the phloem. Translocation of materials is not a simple physical process, it requires energy. This energy is obtained from ATP. human beings make use of waste products produced in plants. First, latex. It is used for making rubber products. Second, resin. It is used for making varnishes, paints, and gum. Third, gum. It is used as an adhesive. Difference between executive system of humans and executive system of plants. Executive system carries out the function of removal of wastage from the body. Second is accumulation of waste substance in the body for long can lead to death. Third, the main excretory products are urea, uric acid, ammonia and creatinine, etc. Excretory system of plants. First point is special system or organ for removal of waste is absent. Second, most of the waste substances are stored in vacuoles, flowers, fruits, and barks of the stem. Third, the excretory products include gum, resin, latex of rubber, etc. Excretory system and kidneys. The two bean-shaped kidneys are situated one on either side of the vertebral column on the posterior side of abdomen. The functional unit of the kidney that performs the basic function of filtration is called a nephron. Each nephron has a cup-like, thin-walled upper part called the Bowman's capsule. The network of capillaries in it is called glomerulus. The area produced in the liver comes into the blood. When the area containing blood comes into the glomerulus, it is filtered through its capillaries and urea and others similar.